विद्यार्थियों, आज हम लोग इंटरमीडिएट परीक्षा के अंग्रेजी विषय के आंसर की से अपने आंसर को मिलावेंगे। तो पहला प्रश्न है द साइनोनिम्स ऑफ थिन इज, आंसर हो जाएगा स्लिम, डी। दूसरा प्रश्न है आई एम सरप्राइज्ड एट योर बिहेवियर, आंसर बी, योर बिहेवियर सरप्राइज्ड मी। क्वेश्चन 3 द एंटोनिम्स ऑफ माइटी इज, आंसर हो गया डी, वीक। आई एम गुड डैश टेनिस, तो आंसर सी होगा एट टेनिस। सी इज डैश ऑफ हर फॉल्ट्स, आंसर ए, कॉन्शियस। क्वेश्चन 6 पीपुल थिंक देयर विल बी पीस सून, आंसर ए, मच। क्वेश्चन 7 मोर देन 60 बॉयज डैश पास्ड इन द फर्स्ट डिवीजन, आंसर ए, हैव। क्वेश्चन 8 यू एलोन वेयर टू ब्लेम फॉर दिस, आंसर ए, यू वेयर नॉट टू ब्लेम फॉर दिस एलोन। क्वेश्चन 9 द मैन केम, आंसर सी, ऑन इमीडिएट, सॉरी आंसर होगा डी, इमीडिएटली। क्वेश्चन 10 चूज द इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस, आंसर ए, सी सफर्स एट फीवर। क्वेश्चन 11 द प्यून डैश द बेल, आंसर सी, रिंग्स। ट्वेल्व चूज द करेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड, आंसर ए, नॉलेज। 13 We are taught history by Mr. Kumar, answer D, Mr. Kumar teaches us history. 14 he dash have arrived by 4 p.m, answer D, will. 15 it dash when we went out, answer B, was raining. 16 he said that he could do it himself, answer A, he said I can do it myself. Question 17 don't disturb me, I dash my homework, answer B, am doing. 18 my friend wants to pursue a career in engineering, answer B, accomplish. 19 finish it dash 2 days, answer A, at. Sweta dash invited Vinita, answer A, herself. 21 avoid dash, answer D, smoking. 22 she needs a sweet, answer A, does not see. 23 the funeral dash are over, answer, इसमें कंफ्यूजन है। 24 give one word substitution for fit to be eaten, answer D, fatal. 26 rice and curry dash my favorite dish, answer D, is. 27 open the door please, A, close. 28 he asked what is the time, answer D, he says that what the time is. 29 choose the correctly spelled word, Answer C. Plenty. 30. Have you read dash Ramayan? Answer C. The. 31. He is true dash his friends. Answer D. For. 32. Study hard, you will not pass. Answer C. Study hard, otherwise you will not pass. 33. Ajay said to the girl, I know you. Answer B. Ajay told the girl that he knew her. 34. You have another cup of tea. Answer B. May. 35. Your perfume has a wonderful. Answer B. Scent. 36. I will not be able to dash my projects on time. Answer D. Complete. Choose the correct sentence. Answer B. The more we get, the more we want. 38. I am not interested dash buying a new car. Answer A. 2. 33. A lot of ships cross dash Pacific Ocean. Answer C. The. 40. Choose the correctly spelled word. Answer C. Successful. 41. I shall write a letter. Answer D. A letter will be written by me. 42. A man who is liked by all is called. Answer A. Popular. 43. A person who writes English correctly will be dash in his profession. Answer D. Further. 44. Choose the odd one out. Answer D. Man. Are you attending dash reception today? Answer C. The. 46. She is writing a birthday dash right now. Answer A. Message. 47. Do you dash tea at 5? Answer D. Have. 48. What is the time dash your watch? Answer A. At. Choose the correct sentence. Answer A. He is in a good health. 50. I went to the market. I bought several things. Answer C. I went to the market and bought several things. 51. Try dash and you will succeed. Answer A. Again and again. 52. There is a village dash the hills. Answer beneath. 53. Choose the correctly spelled word. Answer B. Bubbling. 54. Choose the correct synonyms of pardon. Answer D. Forgive. 55. 60 people dash a huge party. Answer B. Means. 56. Choose the correct sentence. Answer A. We need to good food. 57. Everybody has to dash his mistake. Answer A. Pay for. 58. We are dependent dash his decision. Answer C. On. 59. Dash God bless her. Answer A. May God bless her. 60. We must approach him. Answer he must be approached. A. IS 61. When I crumble, who will remember is taken from. Answer A. Firing. 62. A dust whom dash bower shaped made aware. Answer B. England. 63. He is broken every human law. We breaks the law of gravity is taken from. Answer C. Macavity the mystery cat. 64. Tower of Silence is related to Parsis. 65. Which nation has been called the young state of ancient people? Answer A. India. 66. 67. Dash are careful not to antagonize the press. Answer C. Politicians. Oh, how feeble is man's power is taken from. Answer D. The soldier. 69. And must wait, must stand and wait for there he was at the thought before me. Is taken from. Answer A. Fire him. Who wrote Summer in Kolkata? Answer C. Keki and Daruwala. 71. In Walter de la Mare songs there is a note of. Answer B. Excitement. 72. My tongue every dash of my blood form day from this soil this dash. Answer A. Drop. 73. I am thankful to the best for money. A thing I have learnt from Western literature is taken from. Answer A. Indian civilization and culture. The past is not dead and static, it is alive and dynamic is taken from. Answer B. The artist. 75. The mother of the narrator was very confident that Nanu Kaka would be able to manage to see the minister. Answer A. On Sunday. According to Martin Luther King, let us not wallow in the valley of dash. Answer C. Alabama. 77. Today dash English is recognized as a world language. Answer A. American. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Gitanjali. C. D. 79. Manohar Malgoyankar is a dash writer. To Indian writer. Who wrote Arms and the Man? Answer A. G.B. Shaw. 81. Who composed Leaves of Grass? Answer B. John Keats. 82. A snake were seen. A snake were seen among dash is my grandmother's house. Answer A. Bed covers. The Anglo-Saxons used dash language. Answer A. Greek. 84. New varieties of English emerged after the colonies of British Empire acquired dash. यानी आंसर हो जाएगा B. Freedom. 85. He had the look of being a simple-hearted man as well as a simple-minded man is taken from. Answer A. The artist. 86 Pearl S. Buck is the writer of books like 87 The name of Lamop's dog is a leap. Nanu Kaka stood in the doorway of a dash class carriage. Answer C. Second. The language of Old English looks different because of its answer A. Spelling and vocabulary. 90. The Romantic revival is associated with answer D. Wordsworth. 91. The dash had for reaching effects on the English language. Answer A. Renaissance. 92. English is used as a foreign language in answer A. India. When the poet saw the snake, it was a very dash. Answer B. Warm. 94. I celebrate myself and sing myself, and what I assume you shall assume is taken from answer A. Song of myself. A. 95. Auden won the Pulitzer Prize for his collection of poems. Answer B. The Age of Love. 96. Conspiring with him how to load and bless is taken from answer C. Fire him. Bertrand A. W. Russell was a British answer D. philosopher. The next day the teacher gave savage confiscated guard to an old partner who worked in the school is taken from answer A. A child is born. 99. The way of managing childbirth is traditional societies are answer C. None. 100. Free people must see to it that when peace comes dash is restored. Answer C. Full freedom. ओके तो विद्यार्थियों आप लोग जो है विशेष समय गंवाने का प्रयास नहीं करेंगे, हमेशा अगले परीक्षा की तैयारी में रहे, रिपीटेशन में रहे और चंद मिनटों का समय निकाल कर इसे अपनी संतुष्टि के लिए हर एक विषय का आंसर की से मिला सकते हैं और अभी पूर्ण रूप से आप लोग तैयारी में जुड़े रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।